Please like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel, my dear friend. Noun বিশেষ্য পদ Noun is a naming word. কোনো কিছুর নামকে noun বলে। Noun is of 5 kinds. 1. Proper noun বিশেষ নাম। 2. Common noun জাতিবাচক নাম। 3. Collective noun সমষ্টিবাচক নাম। 4. Material noun বস্তুবাচক নাম। 5. Abstract noun গুণবাচক নাম। Example উদাহরণ about relations man. Here man is a noun, and then we come to another word woman. Here woman is another noun. Then we come about body. Head, parts of a body, also noun. And then kidney, also parts of a body and also noun. About furniture, chair, also a noun. Table, chair and table both noun. Noun in a sentence. On people are going to market. Here people and market both are noun. To January is a month. January and month both are noun. Pronoun সর্বনাম. Pronoun is changed by noun. Noun দিয়ে pronoun পরিবর্তিত হয়. Use of noun. Abir is a boy. Here Abir is noun. The sketch of Abir has given for you, my friends. Abir. Use of pronoun. He plays ball. Here he is changed by Abir. Abir and he. Noun and pronoun. Some pronouns are given below. I, we, he, she, you, me, us, him, her, you, my, our, his, her.